Lecture 4. Who having heard the king went their way, and behold the star which they had seen in the east went before them, till it came and stood over where the child was. Pseudo Chrysostom. This passage shows that when the star had brought the Magi nearly to Jerusalem, it was hidden from them, and so they were compelled to ask in Jerusalem where Christ should be born, and thus to manifest him to them, on two accounts: first, to put to confusion the Jews, inasmuch as the Gentiles, instructed only by sight of a star, sought Christ through strange lands, while the Jews who had read the prophets from their youth did not receive him, though born in their country. Second, that the priests, when asked when Christ should be born, might answer to their now condemnation. And while they instructed Herod, they were themselves ignorant of him. The star went before them to show them the greatness of the king. Augustine. To perform is due service to the Lord. It advanced slowly, leading them to the spot. It was ministering to him and not ruling his fate. Its light showed the suppliants and filled the inn, shed over the walls and roof that covered the birth, and thus it disappeared. Pseudo Chrysostom. What wonder that a divine star should minister to the Son of Righteousness about to rise? It stood over the child's head, as it were, saying, "This is he," proving by its place what it had no voice to utter. Gloss. It is evident that the star must have been in the air and close above the house where the child was, else it would not have pointed out the exact house. Ambrose. The star is the way, and the way is Christ, and according to the mystery of the Incarnation, Christ is a star. He is a blazing and a morning star. Thus where Herod is, the star is not seen. Where Christ is, there it is again seen, and points out the way. Remigius. Or the star figures the grace of God, and Herod the devil. He who by sin puts himself in the devil's power loses that grace. But if he returns by repentance, he soon finds that grace again, which leaves him not till it have brought him to the young child's house, i.e., the church. Gloss. Or the star is the illumination of faith, which leads him to the nearest aid. While they turn aside to the Jews, the Magi lose it. To those who seek counsel of the bad lose the true light.